If Discord is not opening on your phone, here are a few fixes you can try. First, open your phone's Settings app and check if you're connected to a VPN. If a VPN is turned on, disable it temporarily since it can sometimes stop Discord from loading properly. Next, go back to Settings and open the Apps section. Find Discord from the list of installed apps and tap on it. Now select Storage and tap Clear Cache. After that, force stop the app and reopen Discord to check if the issue is fixed. If Discord still won't open, head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Discord. If you see an update available, install the latest version of the app. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling Discord completely. Press and hold the Discord app icon, tap Uninstall, then reinstall it from the App Store. Once reinstalled, open Discord again and sign back into your account. In most cases, this fixes app loading and startup issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.